Hey scholars, happy Wednesday. Miss Metz apologizes. The video is not working today, so you can't see my face, but you can hear my voice today so that we can do our lesson. Now, yesterday we started our work on homophones, which are words that sound the same but have different meanings. We focused on to, and how we can select the correct word to complete a sentence in our writing. Today, we have 3 new words that sound similar but have different meanings. Those words are there, and there. The first there is the spelling T-H-E-I-R, there. This word means belonging to them, which would be a group of people. An example is, we are going to their house. That is their house. It belongs to them, that group of people. Maybe it's a family that own that house. We can also think of this word ownership. Someone owns something. It's theirs. Next, we have the spelling T-H-E-R-E, there. That means at that place. There is always referring to some place, a place you can go. So a noun, a place. She will go there after soccer practice. In this example, we don't know exactly what place that is, but we know that she will go to some place after soccer practice. And our third form of this there is T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. That apostrophe tells me that this is a contraction, and we've already done work on contractions, so we know that there is a contraction for they are. They're coming to your game today. We could break that up, and we know it would say they are coming to your game today. For our work today, you just need a composition book and a pencil. Your directions are to fill in the blank in the sentence with the correct form using either there, E-I-R, there, E-R-E, or there, Y''R''E. Let's look at our first example. The sentence says, I brought their presents to the birthday party. Well, which there do we need to use here? Let's look at that word presents. I brought their presents. Are we talking about a place? No, we're not talking about a place here in this space. So we know that we're not going to use T-H-E-R-E there. We cannot use T-H-E-Y''R''E because if we break that contraction up into they are, I brought they are presents to the birthday party. That is incorrect. That grammar doesn't make sense. Can we use T-H-E-I-R? Yeah. When we look back up here, it says there means belonging to them, a group of people, owning something. Their presents. Well, it's their presents. They own them now. I brought their presents to the birthday party. Awesome. Make sure you get that down in your composition book. If you need time, you can press pause on the video to write it down and then click play when you're ready. But we're going to move to our next example. It says, if you look over blank, you can see a bird in the tree. If you look over there, you can see a bird in the tree. Does this tree or this bird belong to anyone? No. So we're not going to use T-H-E-I-R. If you look over they are, you can see a bird in the tree? No. But we can use there, talking about some place over there, to tell about where you're looking to see the bird in the tree. If you look over there, T-H-E-R-E, you can see a bird in the tree. Next example says, Mom says we can't go there anymore because I got hurt last time. We can't go there anymore. Which form of there are we going to use here? Try this one on your own before Miss Metz gives you the answer in the video. See if you can identify which form of there is best used in this sentence? Yeah. Just like our last example, we're talking about some place that we don't know what it is, but we know that it is over there. Mom says we can't go there anymore because I got hurt last time. I wonder what that might be. Maybe it's the park and you were playing on the monkey bars and then you got hurt. Next example. Abuela and abuelo say they're excited to see us tomorrow. Which form of there would work best? Well, are abuela and abuelo going to some place in the distance? No, we are not going to use THERE here. Are we talking about abuela and abuelo owning anything? Say their thing? No. So we're actually going to use they are. And we can try to make sure this works by saying the contraction broken up into they are. Abuela and abuelo say they are excited to see us tomorrow. Does that make sense? Yeah, so we can just make that into the contraction there. Let's move to our next example. Our parents will love this gift because they're big football fans. This one's a little bit trickier, but let's really focus on the placement of this word there to find out which form we should use. Our parents will love this gift because they're big football fans. Are we talking about going there to watch the game? No, so we're not going to use THERE here. Are we talking about their game or their present? They're big football fans? Nope. But we can do like we did in our last example, where we take the contraction there and we break it up into they are. Our parents will love this gift because they are big football fans. We can then bring those two together to make our contraction there, and we have our completed sentence. We have just one more example here together. Michael and Daniel brought their puppy to school in the morning. Which form of there would work best? They brought their puppy. Try this one on your own. Looking at the examples that we have up here to help you identify which form of there we want to use. And then thinking what goes best here. Yeah, we are talking about ownership here. It's their puppy. They own that puppy. It's their family's dog, so we're using THEIR, their puppy, to school in the morning. Awesome. Well, that's our work on there, or there. These tricky homophones that try to trick us because they sound the same, but they have different meanings. Your activity for today in Google Docs is going to have the same directions, and it's going to look a lot like the work that we did together in this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck and have a great rest of your day. Bye, everyone.